What is this? What is this? This is from... No. The egg fried rice is what?
Yeah, it's a rice fried with egg.
With egg.
But there's no bacon.
So where is
There's no
No pork.
Okay, pork. Okay, that's
where can I find the chicken,
What do you like, sir?
chicken and okay,
Chicken fried rice? You want chicken fried rice?
Yes.
How about kimbap fried rice? You still want?
This one.
You already ordered kimbap fried rice.
Yeah,
You got one more chicken fried rice.
yes.
You want two, huh?
Yeah, let me see.
You already ordered kimbap fried rice.
Yes.
You still need one more chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice.
Okay, chicken.
Thank you for pork. You pork and pork.
Hello. You don't want pork. We don't want pork.
No pork.
Yeah.
No pork. Understand?
I'm okay.
Egg fried rice and chicken fried rice.
Yes.
And what is it?
Are you Muslim? Are you?
No, we are not Muslim. We are
I see.
Christian, but we don't like it.
Oh, you know that pork.
Yeah.
No worry. These two no pork.
Okay, that's why. We are allergic to it. That's why we don't.
Oh, I see. No.
Yeah.
Kimbap fried rice, chicken fried rice, any more?
Then
You have lobster?
Yeah, we do have lobster.
Lobster so that I can see how you look. That menu.
this one is lobster.
Show him here so that I can see how you look.
This one not in the picture. Let me
Oh,
see.
not
in the
yet?
picture. Not in the picture. Not in the picture.
Because I don't know if you need to see it.
I don't know it. I don't know it.
I can show you this one only.
This one is what?
Lobster.
Lobster, yeah. That's lobster.
With the salted egg yolk. Salted egg, no? This one.
Hold
This
on.
one.
Card, okay.
I think I saw this thing, but it's nice.
This one.
Do you know what? Order higher. He order go.
Where is it?
Here, S1. Fresh lobster coated with salted egg yolk.
Maybe there for 56 pounds.
Yeah, 56.80 pounds.
80 pounds.
56.
56.80.
That is almost 100 and something pounds.
You need the money. Order right.
What is that calculating?
What about
Can
the
I
rice?
eat?
The rice is how much?
The
The rice is here.
is 15, 14,
14 years.
and 3.
The chicken is almost the same like the special fried rice. About 12 pounds on it.
Yeah, so you don't have like lobster like 20 pounds?
No, we don't.
Oh, but it's not going to be actually 100 and something thousand Nigerian money.
So, what about you have a pump?
Yeah, we do.
So where's
100 and something thousand.
pump? Is that much?
Depends what you order. You want it prawn with chili?
Don't worry, you
pepper
people will see the 100 and something thousand naira. All these are prawn. Oh, nice.
Okay, all you can see here.
What is it of working now? Are you okay?
Not 200 and something pounds.
It's okay, you can take your time to go through. You want to get your drink first? The drink?
Okay, yeah.
What drink you order? I'll get the drink for you first. Maybe I give drink make some drinks.
So for the you be the get and I'm
Okay, one.
No, I'm okay with this. I'm fine with this. Then give me drink.
What drink you like?
I'm fine with this too.
Can I have water, please?
The water. Water is. I'm fine with this.
Yeah. What water? Still water or sparkling water?
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water.
Big one?
No.
Small.
Small one for how many person?
No, like 3. We need 3.
Then you better get big one. You get 3 more expensive.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You
So
get big one, you share.
How are we going to take the big one? That's the problem.
No, you can split your bill. If you 3-person drink, then you get separate 3. Then it'd be even better you get the big one. Cheaper for you. I'm okay to give you small one, but I will charge you
Small
more.
one
That's
is how
all.
much?
You see the bill here. I'm more willing to charge you small one, but
I know.
I don't think you're happy with that. You see, sparkling water, small one, £2. Big one, $3.90. So mean if you 3 mean it will be £6.
Just bring the small one.
Don't worry, bring the two pound. Is better.
Huh?
Then I need
Bring the small one.
I want to have 12 small one, there will be £6. Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
You don't want to get the big one with $3.90?
We can't use cup. We can't use like your cup to take. Or do you have like? Don't want
No.
the small
You have a disposable cup.
No, it's not. It's a glass.
Glass.
It's a glass bottle.
No, don't worry. Just give us the 2 pounds.
Give us
That
this.
one a glass corner.
Give us this.
Yes, the one and a
How
cara.
many you need? The small one.
3 please.
3, yeah? Okay. You sure?
Yes, please. You
So-
want your Coke?
Coke. Yeah.
Coke.
Your Coke is how much? Soft drink.
No, I don't need Coke. I need Fanta.
Fanta.
Orange.
Fanta, how many you
Or
want?
apple juice. No, not apple juice. Hold on.
Sorry?
Orange, pineapple, tonic water, blah, 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 blah. How about tea, ice milk, tea. Ice milk tea is
Please give me Fanta.
give me Fanta, Fanta orange.
So, sparkling water, small one, 3.
Yeah.
Nah,
Then
1 Fanta. 2 Fanta. Alright.
you feel what you need. What is
So,
this for?
chopstick.
Oh.
So, these 2 rices, okay?
yeah.
Any more? That's all?
These 2 rice, one for me, one for me.
How about you?
No,
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 I'm
easy.
fine.
it's
Yeah.
fine.
You're on diet.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me confirm your order. You order 1 chicken fried rice and 1 king prawn fried rice. Drink will be 3 sparkling
No,
water.
not one. I mean, this will be 2.
Chicken fried rice 2.
Yes, and this one 2. That's one for me, one for me.
Oh, you want king prawn fried rice
Yeah.
2.
Yes.
Chicken fried rice 2.
Yeah. So
So that'll be 4.
4. Yeah. 2. This one for you. That for me.
Wait, then we'll put you. Come, sorry. Make I talk. Bring that first one.
Look at it now. Why are
Bring,
you doing
bring.
like this?
Come.
This
Give
is
me only that thing.
chicken fried rice.
No.
Egg
Prawn.
fried rice.
Can
Special fried rice.
Prawn. Come with it. Prawn and this.
but just give me only prawn. Only
Okay, prawn.
Jelly rice.
rice now. Prawn or
Okay,
rice.
mate, let me confirm. How many you king prawn fried rice? 1?
One
And chicken fried rice.
one.
Okay, so you got 2 rice, are you?
Yes.
You only king prawn fried rice?
Yes.
Okay. So this one is 2. This one is 2. This one is 1.
You think you have only
Chicken
just
fried rice
some
1.
number?
King prawn fried rice 2. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Huh? What are you?
You said what?
Huh? It's
What
okay?
you said?
King prawn fried rice 2. 1 for him, 1 for him. Chicken fried rice for him. Okay? So sparkling water, small one, 3.
Yes, please.
And 2 Fanta.
Yeah.
Alright.
Chicken, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm piano food. Mama lives in on the tea abata. No, my brother. Then a pop. No.
But what?
Jesus.
You don't understand.
Popia. If you be a new, I mean, if you be a, and I mean, but
We don't need bacon.
You haven't ordered yet. You just have to mark it on the menu what you want.
But we
okay.
have told someone that we ordered.
Oh, I think they haven't ordered anything yet. But there's something on the menu.
All right. Okay, good. God.
You are going to eat it today.
No. Let me take. I will never.
Like, you have to eat
So
pork.
let's take
They don't call
egg
it pork
fried
here.
rice. Contains pork. No.
They don't call
King
it pork.
prawn. King prawn.
Come go to the menu.
King prawn. King prawn.
Don't you eat pork?
My brother say no go eat pork meat.
King prawn.
We are in
King
Chinese
You
restaurant.
don't like it?
prawn. King prawn is okay.
Chinese restaurant.
Do you want bacon?
What is bacon again?
You don't know what is bacon?
No.
Bacon is called pork.
So where is the menu now?
This.
My guy is cooking.
Okay.
So we don't need bacon. We don't need it.
I need
We don't need pork. We don't need pork.
I need king prawn.
You haven't placed any order yet.
Okay, that's fine. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay.
I need
Please
king
assist me.
prawn.
He just came to UK. That's why.
I see. Where are you from?
Nigeria. He
Oh,
just
Nigeria.
came to UK. Yeah, they came to visit me. Yeah, so he doesn't know all this thing. I'm just trying to teach him. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on.
My brother say make you hold on. I don't laugh won't kill me. Ah God.
No.
Chinese food.
Chicken soup. No.
My brother no go kill me for this time.
Plantain rice.
Now give it me.
You still want to play or you don't want to play?
No, don't worry, just give it.
Maybe you want to eat something?
Maybe.
So why will I use is it not cold?
Is this sparkling water? I need no more water, please.
Come here, go near.
Have you opened it?
Open already.
Is it open?
Yeah, it's already open.
Oh,
You say you three. You want three.
Can you call it as a lamb?
Ọkwa gị saa aṅụ ba ihe. Ọkwa esa aṅụ ba ewetara ihe tie lime mmiri nkịtị. Ihe mmiri.
Yeah, it's some of what kai.
Two Fanta.
Me to go deal like I'm my God.
Ọ dalị ebe a ka m nweta ndụ m.
Get that can water.
If you get this,
Ihe ise ewetara.
Yeah, but sparkling water. Sparkling water, the soda water. Sorry. Don't take it.
It's not for me. If you now order here, I only came to order. I just ordered something I don't know. I wish everybody will see me eating this thing until when they come. This is Chinese restaurant. The one with cockroach and the maggot and everything. I don't know. Oh my God. Let me drink the one I know.
good. Go do your face.
I'm just confused. I don't know. I'm hungry. Because it's £2 something. Why can I just spend £2.50 on water without drinking it? I didn't even know it's sparkling water. Imagine. Oh no. So hungry. So annoying. Stop it, please. Stop. So annoying.
Hey.
Chicken fried rice.
Yeah, let's check it. Not bad, anything. When we're in a party, we're going to piece.
My guy confused.
You don't need any order. You can finish here, but
I got have fun. Chicken fried. What is this? What is this? This is from I beg I just say chicken fried rice now. I get tiga chicken. They will put big chicken. Chinese food. Let me taste it. Don't worry, I will enjoy it. Now how much is this? In Nigerian money, when this multi is 200,000. Yeah, 200,000. Now if I give room to where they die. I'm saying you will carry your 10 million. I'm saying you will carry your 10 million. I think I give room to where they buy. It's not the Chinese food. I don't go to Chinese food. I want to go to the room. Because I don't know if I made it as well. You didn't go to. So I send the number to my parents. Good number. Not go to be a bomb where there's a Chinese chicken. Chinese restaurant. Don't come from one after some man on my
Is it nice? Look at his face.
You have something to order.
Yeah, you order too, and you have to finish it. Yeah. So if you don't want it, you better tell them not to cancel it.
No. Oh yeah,
you have to finish it. You have to. No, don't okay. You have to finish it.
Yeah,
I know you have to finish it. I know you have to finish the job. I know what I'm talking about. You are the one that order for. You haven't tasted. You haven't eaten it before. Look at it. They are bringing it. This is prawn fried. Do you see that this one is nice? I don't want. No onion one way now.
This is a king pond fried rice, okay?
Okay, thank you. So what's that one?
Chicken fried rice.
Okay, chicken fried rice.
Yeah, this one king pond fried rice, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy, yeah?
Okay. Oh my, do video look at it. That's it. Is it nice? Look at his face.
Order.
Yeah, you order too, and you have to finish it. Yeah. So if you don't want it, you better tell them not to cancel it.
No. Oh yeah,
You have to finish it. You have to. No, just
okay?
you have to finish it. I know you have to finish it. I know you have to finish it. So I know what I'm talking about. You are the one that order for. You haven't tasted. You haven't eaten it before. Look at it. They are going in it. This is prawn fried rice. Do you see that this one is nice? I don't want. No onion one way now.
This is a king pond fried rice, okay?
Okay, thank you. So what's that one?
Chicken fried rice.
Okay, chicken fried rice.
Yeah, this one king pond fried rice, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy, yeah?
Okay. Oh my, do video look at it. That's it.